Hello world, our Portal Dev here. Today, we're going to be doing a sweet unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5. I've seen tons of you down there in the comments asking for it, and I am all about giving my viewers what they ask for. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys, and here it is. And I might say this is definitely a massive one, guys. This is like one of the biggest boxes I've ever seen for a laptop. Ooh, wow. Check this out, guys. Check this out. The way this thing is packaged, you can definitely tell you have some kind of beast here in your presence. And this opening mechanism, very nice and easy to get the laptop out of the bag like this. Looks like we have our gigabit Ethernet followed by USB-C, two USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI port, there's our proprietary Lenovo charging port, single USB 3.0 port, and then a headphone jack, and an additional USB 3.0 port, and a vent. So we have two nice big vents on both sides of the laptop. Very nice. And you can see it has these labels across the I/O here. Very nice touch in my opinion. I like it. And then, ooh, hello. Looks like we have another innovative design here, possibly an HP Omen 15 contender in the house. You can basically see your two fans there for both your CPU and GPU. Oh, nice. Open system. Woo! And then look at this, the Legion branding underneath on the rubber padding along the bottom of the laptop. I must say, I am a huge fan of that. And you can see here the feet on this laptop, they are absolutely massive. So, you know, when it's on a desk, you're really not going to have any problem. I haven't really looked too much into the benchmarks for this laptop already, so it's going to be a surprise for me. I'm going to be just as excited as you guys to see those results there. A power cord. It's your standard PSU cable. Oh, okay. Whoa. I am a little bit surprised right off the bat to see this here. This could definitely be something that could work against Lenovo for sure. This could definitely be something that would not work in their favor. Much larger than I expected, honestly, for a 1660 Ti, variant laptop. So I got my HP Omen 15 charger here. I wanted to see these side by side so we can get a little bit of a width comparison here, and just look at this, guys. So, I mean, my HP Omen 15, I have it right here. I still daily drive this laptop, and yeah, look at this. So 1660 Ti in both laptops here. This is a Ryzen 7. Okay, this is a 4800H. It actually has more cores than the Intel. So you would expect the power consumption to be higher on the HP, but you can see right here already the charger is definitely significantly thicker on the Lenovo, and I can definitely confirm it is it is like a brick compared to the HP Omen 15. So definitely, honestly for me, I never consider a charger to be a deal breaker, but for some people where weight is a big concern for you, something for you to keep in mind. Okay, you guys, let's see, can it pass the one-handed test? Oh, it lifted a little bit, but in the end it pulls through. And how far does that hinge extend? Ooh, looks like it's going all the way down to 180 degrees, just like we saw with the HP Omen 15. Very nice. So Lenovo is definitely competing in all aspects. Oh, wow, definitely. Very sleek look there, guys. Check this out. Ooh, okay, this is a very minimal looking design here. It has these, very harsh edges actually. I would definitely say it adds to the style. All right. Looks like a full-size keyboard. Very sleek look. You can see this, just looking at it here from the side. I mean, you can see how much of a clean look this is. Very, very roomy, nice, large trackpad. And more Lenovo Legion branding on the inside above the power button. And you can see here the webcam has a sliding mechanism to close a privacy screen. I honestly wish every single laptop had one of these. And Lenovo was nice enough to put these stickers to show us that the function key plus Q key is for changing performance profiles. Ooh, look at that lighting. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I am a fan of this RGB here that Lenovo is including. Definitely a fan. Let's get a feel for this keyboard. Ooh, very tactile.
I'm Cortana.
Don't interrupt me, Cortana. Oh yeah, but I can definitely tell this is Windows Precision. You can easily see as well the screen is high refresh rate. Wow, it's looking very nice so far. The blacks look nice and black. All I can say is, you guys, just, oh wow, this is Okay, you guys, this is going to be some serious competition for me, you know, as a HP Omen 15 daily driver. All right, and going over to the dark side here a little bit, I'm going to say right now, if you guys are interested in a comparison video, a versus comparison between our Lenovo Legion 5 and our HP Omen 15 here that we have in the house currently being daily driven, drop a like, show some love for this video if you guys want to see head-to-head comparison, Del Porto Dev style, HP Omen 15 versus Lenovo Legion 5. And then you can see a very nice shiny finish here across the hinge. Very classy. This is definitely looking like possibly one of the most sturdy and stable hinges I have ever seen on a laptop. It's very, very like slow, and it has a lot of resistance on it. It definitely feels like, you know, definitely this is going to be able to handle opening and closing every day for a long period of time. I can already tell right away, excellent design here. All right, so that about does it for my first impressions and my unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5. Definitely stay tuned, drop a like down below, leave me a comment of any questions that you guys want to see in the full review. And lastly, don't forget, take a look in the video description down below for more information on this product, as well as a link to my Discord server and my Twitch channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Del Porto Dev out.